So what's up YouTube? We're back with a new video. If you haven't liked it already, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. We're starting this video at a gas station. We're getting some gas for the Turbo Cavalier. You got that race can right there. So we're gonna head back to the shop after this. Wait, are we gonna get food or anything?
We can if you want.
Yeah, let's get something to eat real quick. We're gonna grab food, then head back to the shop and do some work. I would like a McGriddle with cheese.
Can I get a McDick Rumps?
Yeah. So we're gonna go get some McDicks real quick. What are we doing today, Mitch?
We're gonna bleed out the coolant system. Power steering fluid. Wrong way.
Holy fuck, how do you use this?
We're gonna bleed out all the liquids in the car. Well, I'd like to wash it and then kind of like recheck over the engine bay, make sure everything's all tight.
So we're just gonna fix everything
because all we're waiting on is that the gauge.
The gauge.
Once we get the gauge, it's ready for a tune, and then it's ready to go on the road. I'm gonna put it on the road and then get it tuned.
Oh shit! So pretty much we're just tightening everything up and cleaning.
Yeah, and the subscriber that came down, Matt, he's gonna be tuning the car.
Yeah.
So we're gonna be gone for a whole day, just ripping the fucking car around.
Dude.
And
it's gonna be nuts.
Yeah.
Hi, Fusion. I wait for my car. We gotta make dicks. We're going back to Mitch's shop and we're gonna work on the Cavalier.
Grab a queer.
Grab a queer. What? You good?
Gang, bro.
Gang. Cavalier? Oh, the door's closed.
Did you get that?
I don't know, dude. I think I did. You're shot. I think I did. Mitch just shitting himself. What the hell was that?
You know the pressure?
Is that yeah. Because there's no gas in it. Alright, we're gonna fill the car with gas. We just ate our food and stuff. Well, there's not like any gas in it. You're acting like it was heavy and shit.
You know, Cameron, I ain't here for your fucking share.
I like your funnel, dude.
Thanks, bro.
We gotta sell them, dude.
Clit's approved funnel.
Clit's approved funnel.
Alright.
Alright. Here.
Please don't spill a lot.
Oh, I'm definitely gonna spill a lot. All of it.
This is sketchy as fuck.
Let's put the camera away. Alright, that wasn't working. We spilled gas all over the place. So Mitch is running to his car to grab something to cut this open with and fill it with gas. Here he comes. You're fucking shot.
I bought these when I was like 16.
You fucking 30 cents. Nice.
You smell that?
We do things the quality way here at the Clit's Customs. We're looking for a funnel now because that idea wasn't working. So now we're trying to do this idea, shoving a dipstick thing in it. I don't even know what that's called.
Dipstick.
Yeah, this into it.
A dipstick tube.
You know, we could have just like pushed it to the gas station and what do we need to?
Probably.
Kidding. Just send the rest.
Yeah.
This is the ghetto rig, dude.
There's a ghetto gas pump right here.
Yeah.
Old dipstick tube.
Oh shit.
Klitsky's approved funnel.
Mitch is gonna start the car real quick. We just started up. We just filled it all the way up with gas. I think I'm a little high from huffing all the fumes, dude. I legit feel like weird.
I feel weird.
Fucking send her. Prime it again.
None of my gauges are working.
Yummy. None of them are working, you said?
Huh?
None of the gauges are working?
No. So I think
Oh,
the power
fuck.
just fell out.
Yeah, we dropped the nut out of right there, and we gotta figure out something that fits. Well, ain't no good. Why'd you drop the nut, Mitch?
Don't know.
He's gonna start the car real quick. We just filled coolant inside this, and send it. We're just bleeding it out. Wow, that sounds really weird.
I got something easy.
Yeah. Can you reach it? Got it. And it's still bleeding?
The temp gauge is at like 260.
Oh yeah? I was gonna say give it a little pop pop.
No, I want to put that fuse in for the...
Oh. Nice.
It'll get sucked out.
Yeah.
Need to put a fuse.
I want to put my finger in it.
Yeah, try it.
What are you doing? That's a mess, dude.
Oh yeah.
Fuck do we do with that? Got the heat blasting now. Fucking, we're gonna fucking flush that. Look it up in the book.
Fuck that.
Yeah, who uses books? 195.
My car time shot up 195%.
I don't know. Just trying to see what the operating temperature is to this car. It's fucking hot.
Like 190 to 210.
Alright, so it's hot right now.
Yeah.
Well, the fans are on, it'll cool down.
Oh,
Maybe.
Let's give it a couple more breaths.
Yeah.
And then see if it gets sucked down anymore.
But they shut off. It's like hot.
Oh, it's going down.
Is it?
Alright, let's give it a little rest.
Damn. Oh yeah. It's gonna kill itself. Yeah. Dude, it's like it's dying. The car's alive. It's a heartbeat. She's alive. Yeah, just off that shit. It's running like shit. No.
It probably doesn't also help that all the events deleted, all that shit.
Is it gonna work?
Hell yeah, it's gonna work.
Shit, dude. Yeah, we put the car in there real quick.
Fucking space.
Put some spacers on. Let's see. Oh, that's gonna look fucking good. I hope. Some space boys. Is that, dude? That's like no fucking stud.
You want to talk about no stud? Look at the front.
I know it's pretty bad up there. Fucking nothing. Oh, dude, your wheels are just gonna fall off.
Are they really?
No.
Don't sketch me out like
I recommend tightening. Wow. English.
Torquing
You can't fucking talk today, dude. Torque the spec.
100-foot penalties.
Yeah. Torque the fucking spectacles.
Dude, I'm so happy this works. 'Cause I literally had these chilling at the work from the 06.
Yeah.
So I was like, oh, maybe I'll pop the studs out, see if it'll work. And they do.
Oh yeah, that brought it up. That. See that. Two. Holy fuck. That brought it out some. Way better? Oh fuck yeah. Holy fuck,
Now we
dude.
got a bounce on it.
It looks hella stanced. Good. Dude, it's a good it's a good thing you put the spacers on, dude. It
Dude,
looks
homemade space
it looks
boy.
hell of a lot better. Damn. It's like evened out now.
Now we're gonna test to see if the coolant's full. So if that, this is how my dad taught me when I first started it, because I had a huge air pocket and I blew a head gasket. That's why I rebuilt this motor.
Oh.
So he told me, unscrew this, pull this off. If this doesn't have coolant in it, fill it up until it has coolant coming out of it. Once you see coolant coming out of it, push it in, screw it down, fill that up, and it's good.
Yeah?
So we're gonna do that.
Okay. Did it burn you?
Yeah.
Yeah, it leaked out everywhere. I didn't get it on camera.
Just a little.
It might be good. Just kidding. It's still bad.
It's still a blown up Cavalier.
Let's not blow up a Cavalier again.
Yeah, because honestly, I don't really feel like rebuilding this,
Me neither.
and I'm truthfully not going to.
Well, you for sure let air in. No, I'm kidding.
You can fill it up.
All right. Yeah. Oh.
No.
it doesn't fit anymore. Sorry, man.
Shit.
Meow.
Actually, it might not go down. Alright.
It's a little hard.
Okay.
That's what she said.
Oh my god.
I hang out with a bunch of perverts.
Oh my god. You just gotta shove it in there.
Shove it right in her hole.
Yo, good button.
Oh. Got it.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Damn, that's a thumbnail right there.
Give it a little bap.
I'm sorry, is that a Civic?
Is that a Honda?
Right, sir.
Who is this?
Faster than I can get the phone
We gotta
out.
make like a montage of this.
A montage of it? And we're gonna wash the car. And
Oh, dude, you smell that?
yeah, it smells pretty good.
It smells like laundry detergent.
Oh fuck. It smells pretty good. Fill it up. She'll freak out.
Oh, dude, I'd get a fucking ass beating. I would literally go home single. I'd have to bring the car home
You
right
have to
now.
bring the car home with you. Shit.
Well,
Worth it. How?
dude, look at it, rippling right off.
It's actually crazy.
I haven't washed this car in a fucking year. They're so wax on it.
Yeah. Damn. You did a good job waxing it then.
I had to before I put it away because I know you fucktards like to ride all over my shit.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh my god, dude, this soap smells so good.
Oh, we gonna get the soapy boys.
All soaked up.
I'll soak it now.
All souped up. I don't want to see a speck of dirt. A spectacle on your testicle. Ooh, wait, hold on. Sent this for the video.
Oh god.
Ain't nobody wants to see that. Everyone wants to see that.
I'll just leave my shirt on.
Ain't nobody wants to see that. Bring the hose to the other half of the car. You just want to. Oh my god, I'm sorry. Oh, it's so cold. Did you want to turn the hose on? Yeah. What should I hurt? This video, you might see a lot of Mitch that you probably don't want to see.
We all want to see it. Whatever you gotta show them.
I'm just sweating and everything. I really hope that got me. So let me look at my hair so I can take a picture. Oh! Dude, my hand's so soaked.
Did you just shit yourself?
No.
Oh, it sounded like it. Alright, go ahead and start it. I filled it up with water.
You gotta fill it up more.
Oh, okay. Hang on.
Let me know.
Oh, fuck. Alright, well, send it. Oh! Oh my god. My legs are soaked. You're not wrong. You just gotta stand a good distance away and it looks like a fucking good car.
It's a good 50 footer.
Exactly. It's a nice car.
Hey, you want it? $4,000's yours.
You hear that? $4,000, it's yours.
Honestly, if anyone offered me $4,000, I'd write the title over
Somebody
right now.
probably would.
I fucking doubt it.
We have a lot of
I
people.
couldn't even sell for $2,000 before it was listed.
We're gonna start cleaning boys.
Getting it ready for teams.
Bro, Mitch, it's actually coming together. I can see your seats. I can see the ground. The carpet. Wow, it's really weird sitting in the back of a Cavalier.
Let's both sit back here. Ready?
Now look at the
Oh, dude.
bitch talking
Is your side talking?
practically.
Mine's pretty fucking close.
It's close, dude.
Sure. Wait till I put the harness bar in. It'll like come out to here.
Fuck, dude. We can't even fit back here.
Oh well. That's not the point of this car. The point of this car is to beat it up.
We need practicality.
Pong. We don't. Disclaimer: we don't drink here.
We don't drink.
We don't drink.
We are a family channel, like we said. All right, so what are we doing today? We got the we cleaned it all out. Is it cleaned out yet? No.
Pretty much. All I gotta do is put those tools away and then put the interior back.
Pretty nice.
Put the fucking shitty ass dashboard back
Then we'll
on.
start the interior right away.
Yeah.
Let me just swing around the front here real quick. Oh yeah, please. Thank you. Tossy boys.
You fucking suck.
I don't care.
Oh, we got it. All done. Oh, fuck. All right, now we gotta bolt it in. That was actually a bitch to get.
I hate this. Don't ever put racing seats in a Cavalier.
Yeah. Or buy a Cavalier, actually. Yeah.
One or the other. All right, there's the hole.
We got the center console in, which is quality. Now we're gonna have to get this bitch in, and it's not fun because he cracked it all up and shit. We gotta try to get it in, not cracking it. So, it's a fucking mess of wires, dude. I just touched it, and that ground is shot. We should just take that off. So.
Well, here's the actual. Oh wait, here's the actual.
Oh, the actual factual. Oh, we got the whole dash together now, ish. Well, kind of just fell
This looks
apart,
like
dude.
shit.
Yeah. Oh well.
This literally looks like
A ton of cracks and shit. I mean,
cracks. What do you mean? This
that's
fucking
completely missing.
slapper back right there. Where we at?
Honestly, you probably couldn't hear the music once you are driving it.
Huh?
Once you start driving it, you probably couldn't hear the music.
Yeah, that's why I'm gonna see actually.
Pretty good. Oh, one of your headlights went out. Oh, it's back on. I'm gonna end the video here. If you guys liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Mitcheth, what are we doing next week?
Gonna wire that gauge in
Yeah.
and then put the gauges back and
Yeah.
then the car's done.
All right.
We're just waiting for a tune.
Oh shit, dude. So we don't have anything else to do.
Oh,
Really?
we'll do a fluid check too, just to make sure everything's good.
Oh yeah, I thought we were gonna drain all the fluids.
Oil.
Let's just take it all apart and rebuild it again. Why not?
You can have fun with that. I'm okay. I'm done with that.
All right, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.